It's rolling! Hurry! Catch it! Run! It's rolling!
Stop! Welcome to the farm.
Wow! They're huge!
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin! Pumpkin!
Very good.
Welcome! Find the biggest pumpkin.
We can do it! Let's go!
Farm.
Farm! Farm!
What a beautiful farm.
Farmer!
Hello.
Hello! Small. Big. Small. My basket. Basket. Basket.
Basket. Good job.
I found it!
Are you sure? Go!
Let's hurry! Come on! Come on!
We can win!
Look! Whose footprints are these?
Let's find out.
They are huge! Let's follow them!
Stay together.
Lily? Boo! Ha-ha!
That's funny. Heavy. Heavy.
Heavy! Very heavy! It's very cute.
Good job. Bigger. Biggest.
Biggest! We found it! There it is! Run!
Be careful.
It's so heavy! Push!
Try again. Push.
Push! Push!
Together!
Yay! Our pumpkin is huge! We can still win. Let's try.
Don't give up. I know a secret.
What is it? Wow! It's enormous!
Let's go.
Wow! It's enormous!
I've never seen one this big.
Pull! Pull!
1, 2, 3. Strong.
Strong! I'm strong!
Very strong.
A tractor! It's so cute!
Let's try. Good idea. Together.
Together! We can do it!
Keep pushing.
Great teamwork.
Oh no! It's stuck! My nose!
Don't worry.
It's rolling! Hurry! Catch it! Run! It's rolling!
Stop!
It stopped!
It stopped.
Good.
This way.
Good idea. You're clever.
Let's go. Incredible! That is the biggest pumpkin I've ever seen.
We found it. We did it.
Wow! Let's weigh it.
I'm nervous. Me too.
Stay calm.
What happened? Is it broken?
Wait! Wait!
I can wait. I can wait.
We're ready.
Wow. It's huge.
This is exciting! 3, 2, 1!
Please. Come on.
Over limit! This pumpkin is too heavy for our scale.
Really? Wow.
Incredible. We have a bigger scale.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Winner. Winner.
Winner. Maybe today.
Maybe today.
Surprise! Oh no! It's huge.
This competition just became harder. Clean it.
Good idea.
Almost ready.
It's shiny. It's shiny. Yes!
968 kilograms.
That's heavy.
Now, our final pumpkin.
I'm nervous. Me too.
Count.
1, 2, 3. We did it! We won!
Amazing! Wait! One more check.
Oh no!
This vine is not part of the pumpkin.
Please.
One more time.
Please.
It's okay. 969 kilograms.
It's official.
We won!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Great job!
Good game. Thank you. Friends? Friends? Friends!
You are the champions.
Thank you. We love pumpkins.
We did it together.
3, 2, 1. Drive slowly.
I can drive. Be careful!
Good job, Farmer Oliver.
Hello, goat.
Hey, that's my hat. Hello, goat.
Hello, goat.
That's my hat.
My ribbon. Stop!
Run, Oliver!
Careful! I got it.
Let's cook.
Pumpkin pie. Yummy.
I'm hungry.
Pie.
Pie. Delicious. So yummy.
Mmm. What is this?
Pumpkin!
What is this?
Farmer! Excellent! Goodbye!
See you again.
Come back soon.
What a wonderful day.
I'm proud of you.
We'll come back.